Alright everybody, welcome back. Today we got a little, I guess, tool upgrade it's going to be. So I got these Braun Harbor Freight work lights. These are the folding slim guys. A while ago one of the people who watched one of the videos had commented saying I should upgrade the batteries in these, and so I finally got around to doing that. Been running these for a couple of weeks. Here's the batteries that come with them. It's an 18650 2200 milliamp battery, and then so I got this charger. It's a 2 battery charger, and then these ones are also 3200 milliamp batteries. They're 18650s. All you got to do is look it up on Amazon. The charger and 2 batteries were like 20 bucks. I think it came with one of these USB cords. I don't know if this is the one it came with or not. I just had this one lying around. So it's got the micro USB on the one side, regular USB on the other. So all you gotta do, just plugs in your normal wall adapter for those. Plug that in, and then there's a micro USB slot on the back and a regular USB slot. So actually you can use this to charge other batteries too, or to charge like your phone or anything you can use a USB adapter for. So right now the little light's on, since I don't have any batteries in there and the other ones are. It has 2 different modes that you can charge at. It's got a 1 amp and then a 0.5 amp next to it. All you gotta do is hold the mode button here and it changes. So it's on a slow charge right now. So this battery over here is full. Blue bars are all the way up. This one's just about full. So I have noticed a vast difference since I changed these batteries. Like I said, I've been running it for a couple of hours now. The brightness and everything, that's about the same, but the longevity of them is just insane. Because I've had these in there for pretty much running the thing all day, and it was just starting to die then. But before, God, I mean, I got 2 of these work lights at home, and you could do a job for maybe an hour or something, and then they'd be pretty much dead. So I always had both of them standing by, ready to go. So I would highly recommend these guys. I might even pick up some more batteries. Ooh, squeaky. Get some more batteries that are even more. I think there was some 3500s on Amazon I saw, so I might try to pick up a couple of those too. So this just allows you to be kind of ready to go when you're working on something. You don't have to sit around and plug your light in and wait for it to charge. You can just swap the batteries out and go. Let's see, so it's a Victogen N2 Plus is the battery charger I got. Like I said, had pretty good reviews on Amazon. There's kind of some specs for it. And it's supposed to do all sorts of different types of batteries too. So it's got a list of all the batteries types that it does over there. Pretty simple, little cheap charger, but really amazed with how much better these new batteries are compared to the old ones. So like I said, I've been using it for about a couple weeks now, I guess. So maybe I'll try to let you know long term if these batteries hold up, and because the big thing I believe with this guy is there's no smart charging system in it where it doesn't shut off. So you're supposed to unplug it as soon as it's done charging. So right around the button here, the LED will go red or green when it's charging or charged. And people are saying that you should really take it off the charger right away. So maybe I'd left it on too long sometimes and kind of wrecked the batteries too. But now this thing should hopefully take care of that and won't have to worry about it. Overall, I really like these work lights. I mean, I got 2 of them at home, like I said, and I got probably going to get 1 out at the farm here. So I got some more work lights out here, but pretty much that's everything I really got to go over. So far it does take, oh, let's see, how long did it take the first time when I charged these up? Probably a few hours for sure on the half amp charge. Probably, yeah, I would say 5 or 6 hours on the half amp charge to charge them up the first time. But the batteries were pretty much completely dead. And I just ran it on the half amp charge. I don't know about the 1 amp yet. I've used it just to make sure it works, but didn't leave it on long just because I like to charge my battery slower. It seems like they last longer if you can do that. So thanks for watching, everybody. If you got any questions on it, leave it down in the comments. I'll try to answer them as I can. Thanks for watching. See you next time.